How to turn off background refresh on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Android phone's battery is draining fast or apps keep using data in the background, turning off background refresh is one of the easiest fixes. Let's walk through the correct way to control it. First method is to restrict background data for apps. Open up settings. Once you are on your settings menu, you need to go ahead and open up your apps. Find the app section and go to the app that you are actively not using. So I'll just select a random app here. Once you have your app, now from here you can go to mobile data and turn off allow background data uses. Once that is done, you can go back here and you can also turn off your mobile data and Wi-Fi access to the particular app. The second method is to enable data saver. You can do that by going over to your settings. How to enable data saver mode, you need to go back and find connections. Go to connection settings, and once you land on this page, you need to go ahead and find data saver or data uses. Tap on it. Make sure the data saver is turned off. Once you make sure the toggle is off, you can limit background battery usage. You can do that by going back to your apps. Go to the app where your battery is draining too much and then go to battery settings. Now just make sure that this is selected to restrict it. Once that is done, you can also turn off autosync on your Google accounts and disable autosync data on Google. This stops apps like Gmail or contacts from refreshing constantly in the background. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one.